name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. Welcome to my tube. I worked at IRS for 10 long years. I'm a national expert in resolution matters. I've been on national TV many times. Go to my website at 777irs.com and you can learn all about me. I've been on like Fox and ABC and NBC and God, CBS. There's a bunch. News Nation, Newsmax. Anyway, what you have to understand today, what I want to talk about is when you get ripped off by a tax resolution company and you're sitting there and thinking, oh my God, what do I need to do? I just want you to know why you were ripped off, and I want to caution everybody to the wind who's listening is if you are looking for a tax resolution company, the biggest mistake, listen to me, the biggest mistake you make is listening to a salesman. Yep, a salesman. When you call these firms, you obviously know you may not have the secretary, whether it be a male or female, but when they put you on the phone, the first thing that you ask for is this: are you an attorney, a CPA, an enrolled agent, or a former IRS agent? Those people can represent you in front of IRS and nobody can. I'm going to say 95%, 90 to 95% of all the people you're talking to are salespeople, especially the firms that advertise a lot. They can't answer the phone, so these aggressive salespeople who always want you to sign a contract immediately, because their commission is based on you paying them something. They get probably, I've heard, a third of what they actually collect from you. By the way, the person who does the work usually makes between 3 and 5% if they're lucky, but you are speaking to that salesperson. Get off the phone with that person who's not one of those 4 people that I've mentioned. They can't represent you. You just cannot be talking to them. You need to be always, if they won't pass you back to somebody, just say, well, you know what, I don't need your firm, and call someone else. When you hire a tax resolution company or a person, you want to hire the person and not the company. You do it just the opposite because you want to know who's working your case. You don't want the company working your case. You want to know who's working your case. And how do you know if you hire the company if they're not giving you the worst person that they got? They're not going to tell you that, but I'm telling you, these big box firms have people that don't know what they're talking about. How do I know? I get those cases. I know what they've said. I've seen their work that they have. Remember, hire a person that you've talked to, maybe you've Zoomed with, and that you have confidence in. Anyone asking for a check and wanting to sign a contract, you know that's a salesperson for sure. Be careful. Don't get ripped off. I'm a former IRS agent. I'm just helping you choose. We do tax resolution. The last thing we do, we just try to get information the first time. We don't ask for any contracts at all, and nobody should. Anyway, learn who you're hiring and you'll be okay. Give me a subscription if you can. I really appreciate it. I've been doing this a long time. Our firm rocks. Thank you.